kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indoji nilo nono wa kwezonu?
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? My name is Chuku Nonso Captures. Ndebanye, I don't make it alone. I'm Chuku Nonso Captures, aka Mazi. Check on, aka the photo cosmetic surgeon, and this is another episode of the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. So you already know why we do this. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're going to give them back the identity that was stolen from them, starting with their names. So shout out to Louisa for sending in her name for today's Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. So I asked